Well, it's 11:15. I'm all set up, ready to go. Got some new chairs out here they're selling. That's a fancy one right there, 199 bucks. Got a big for sale, no, sold sign on it. Look at that thing. That thing's pretty cool. Big, like 4-person, 3-person rocker. I don't know what the forecast is for today. I heard showers, I heard nothing. It was just a little teeny bit cloudy, you know. Hot as blazes, but that's life in the fast lane sometimes. I don't know if the Mumbles man went to the land or not, and I hadn't got no reports from him since Friday. Well, Thursday. And no reports from anybody else. We'll have to wait and see what the afternoon will bring. I'll have to get back to you. Well, the first customer brought me 8 mixed knives. Ankles, wood staffs, and an old Prestige made in England. I like it. Okay. One time I thought it was moving away. You know, it was sort of over there. So I hope it is moving away, but I don't know yet. Well, as I was coming back onto the tent, a lady pulled up. You may remember this plastic bucket from 2 weeks ago. She's got 5 steak knives, a bird's beak, and a big 10-inch chef's knife. It says connoisseur on it. So I got more action. And I got another one, a little SOG, Instinct, fixed blade knife. I like it. I have to turn this into a weather channel. We had one brief shower, but it didn't last long. I moved everything under the tent that was outside the tent. But this ticket is lingering around. Look how beautiful it is over there. Bummer. Check that baby out right there. What is that, like a 58? No, 60. I don't know what it is. I should know though. It's in my time frame. Let's see. I know what the 58 look like. 62. That could be a 63 Chevy. Let's get up with this a little closer here. She's white too. Stoplight now. We'll get check this baby out. License plate may say what it is. It's got an antique plate on it, I think. Looks like a North Carolina plate. Don't say what it is. You'll have to tell me. 63, 68. I had a 62, so I think that's a 63. She got some fins, ain't she? My mama had a DeSoto like that. That DeSoto has some big fins on that baby. I had a guy call me on the way home. Said he was going to bring me an old knife he wanted me to restore. It's an old military knife. I think I've done one or two very similar to it before. Let's get it out of there. Okay, you see it's not in the best condition, but it's not in the worst condition compared to some we've looked at in the past. It's got some kind of bad looking place right there. I don't know what that is. It's etched right in the knife. Looks like a Y, is it? I don't know what the hell that could be. Looks like something scraped it, you know, real deep. No telling what that could be. Anyway, she needs some TLC. We'll take care of this bad boy.